The last time I did an AI generated music video challenge, it ended with me punching a robot in the face. But something was missing. There wasn't really much dancing going on, and let's be honest, what's a music video without some killer dance moves? So today we're putting AI to the test. Can it create a dancing music video from scratch? Here's the challenge. 1. The entire music video must be created with only AI tools. 2. The video has to prominently feature dancing and the moves have to sync perfectly to the beat of the song. And 3. I have to pull this entire thing off with a budget of $100. Now before we make anything dance, we need a song worth dancing to. I used Suno AI to generate the song. We're going for one of my favorite genres, instrumental futuristic synthwave. And for those of you thinking, what the hell is this guy on about? Think of a Blade Runner type of beat, the ones that you see in those TikTok videos. So I generated a bunch of tracks in that style, and eventually I came across one that really touched me in a way that I've never been touched before. I don't want to talk about it. Now I had to figure out the narrative for this music video. After listening to the song a few times, a brilliant idea smacked me in the ass. A Sasquatch finds human civilization, things happen, he starts dancing. Look, you'll know what I mean at the end. All right, now let's generate our Sasquatch character. For this, I'm heading to Sora to create the base image. Now, the main thing that you want to do when generating a character is to make sure that you get a full body shot and include PNG with no background in the prompt. Once we have our image, we can start building scenes around it. So just keep entering prompts in Sora for each shot you want in the music video, but make sure to upload the Sasquatch character as a reference image each time. Now we need to turn those shots into actual video clips. The tool I'm using is Hicksfield, and I will drop a link in the description for that. I'm using this video generator because it comes with amazing camera movement templates and built-in transitions that look super cinematic. Now at this point, we haven't generated any dancing videos yet. For that, we are going to use Viggle AI. Just go to the singing and dancing section, pick a template and upload your Sasquatch character as the input image. And just like that, we've got a dancing Sasquatch. Now, if you've ever used Viggle AI before, you'll know that it's a very easy tool to use, but the output quality isn't amazing. So to keep the overall quality of the music video high, I only used a handful of dancing shots mixed in with the cinematic shots. Now, before I show you guys the final result, if you want to dive deeper into AI music and content creation, be sure to check out my Notion template called AI Music Video Ultra Pack. So that was the video. And yes, that was me in the video, which was a small little surprise for you guys. Okay, did we beat the challenge? 1, did we only use AI tools? Yes, from the song to the visuals, everything was AI generated. 2, was there dancing and did it sync with the music? The quality wasn't perfect, but there was dancing and I thought it synced with the music, so I'm counting it. 3, did it cost less than $100? Let's break it down. So Suno cost us $10. ChatGPT Plus gave us Sora access and that cost $20. Higgsfield Pro cost $29. Viggle Pro cost us $9.99. So that brings the grand total to $68.99. That means we came under budget, so the challenge is complete. But I guess the real question is, was that actually a good enough music video that people would enjoy? Well, that's up to you to let me know in the comments below, guys. So if you enjoyed it, let me know. If you didn't like it, it's all good. More happy. I love when you guys give me the constructive feedback. I'm all for it. Anyway, that's it for the video, guys. I appreciate you all, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.